Amidst the fast-changing global landscape, development of international law, therefore, cannot remain insulated. What nations are seeking is not just infrastructure and connectivity, but most of all, legal predictability. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, today's world is witnessing unprecedented geopolitical volatility, supply chain disruptions, rapid technological shifts. And these developments are affecting how goods, services, capital, and data move across borders, exposing businesses and governments to risks for which no country can be resilient in isolation. Amidst the fast-changing global landscape, development of international law, therefore, cannot remain insulated. What nations are seeking is not just infrastructure and connectivity, but most of all, legal predictability. They're looking for harmonized rules-based architecture that ensures that trades, data flows, and contracts enforcement are seamless across borders and continents. With harmonized legal frameworks, efficient dispute resolution mechanisms, and greater certainty in cross-border transactions that UNCITRAL in particular is advancing, trade and cross-border commerce can remain resilient even amidst all this disruption. Further, as the economic center of gravity shifts, the legal architecture of tomorrow must be more democratic, inclusive, and sensitive to the realities of the Global South. UNCITRAL's important mission in its next chapter will be to ensure that international trade law acts as a leveler, bridging the gap between the developed and the developing economies. I'm confident that the deliberations over the coming days that you will all undertake will generate fresh ideas and fresh thoughts, strengthen partnerships, and contribute meaningfully to UNCITRAL's future work. I particularly hope that this conference inspires even greater engagement from our region and encourages the next generation of legal scholars, jurists, practitioners, and policymakers to contribute to the progressive development of international trade law. I congratulate the UNCITRAL Secretariat on this landmark anniversary and felicitate the Honorable Chief Justice of India, the Supreme Court of India, and all those whose efforts have made this conference possible. I wish the delegates a very productive conference and a very enjoyable stay in India.